How do I secure my phone from hackers? In today's digital era, our smartphones are more than just communication devices. There are lifelines storing a wealth of personal information. But with the rise of cyber threats, it's crucial to take proactive steps to safeguard our phones from hackers and scammers. Here are 9 simple yet effective strategies to enhance your phone security and protect sensitive data. Strong passwords. Start using strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Avoid using easily guessable combinations and offer random strings of characters that includes letters, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Biometric passkey. Consider switching to biometric passkeys such as fingerprint and facial recognition for enhanced security. Unlike traditional passwords, biometric data is unique to each individual, making it virtually impossible to attack. VPN on public Wi-Fi. When connecting to public Wi-Fi networks, use a virtual private network to encrypt your data and prevent unauthorized access. VPNs also annoy your online activities, enhancing your privacy and security. Facial recognition. While facial recognition can be convenient, it's generally less secure than other authentication methods like fingerprints. Consider using more robust options, especially for non-iPhone devices. App updates. Regularly audit the apps installed on your phone and delete any unused or outdated ones. Enable automatic updates for the apps you keep to ensure you're always running the latest, most secure versions. Call blocking apps. Install call blocking apps like Truecaller to identify and block robocalls and phone scams. These apps add an extra layer of protection against potential security threats. Stick to official apps. Avoid third-party apps that aggregate services and stick to official apps provided by trusted service providers. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access to your accounts and data. Regular backups. Regularly backup your phone's data to the cloud to ensure it's securely stored, even if your phone is lost or stolen. Both iOS and Android devices offer straightforward backup solutions, iCloud and Google Drive respectively. Remote locking and wiping. Familiarize yourself with the remote locking and wiping features of your phone. In case of loss or theft, you can remotely lock or wipe your device to prevent unauthorized access to your data. By implementing these tips, you can significantly enhance the security of your smartphone and protect yourself from hackers and scammers.